In the silent halls of deep space, danger drifts unnoticed. It does not roar. It does not warn. It simply moves, cold, ancient, and indifferent. A fragment of stone. A shard of forgotten creation. And sometimes, it aims for us. Earth orbits peacefully, bathed in sunlight, wrapped in atmosphere. But the peace is fragile. Because above us, beyond sight, lies a roulette wheel of cosmic debris. And every so often, the universe gives it a spin. NASA's eyes remain locked on the void. Not searching for life, but watching for death. Asteroids? Relics of planetary birth. Survivors of solar violence. Some are no larger than a boulder. Others, the size of cities. All of them, capable of ending history in an instant. Their speeds defy imagination, tens of thousands of miles per hour. Invisible to the eye. But not to the instruments. Through shifts in light? Through subtle changes in movement. We detect them. We track them. We pray they pass us by. April 13, 2036. A date once circled in red. A 1 in 5 chance, scientists said, that an asteroid might hit Earth. Not poetic. Not hypothetical. Real. A stone from space, crashing into our world. The potential toll. 1 billion lives gone in a flash. The odds have lessened. But the memory lingers. Because it can happen again. And next time, the odds may not fall in our favor. Meet Bennu. A carbon black traveler from the edges of our solar system. Discovered in 1999, Bennu was no ordinary space rock. Its orbit intersects with Earth's own. Again and again. A potential killer. But also a messenger. NASA sent OSIRIS-REx to meet it. A robotic envoy chasing shadows across the stars. In 2020, it touched Bennu, just for seconds. Collected its dust. Its story. Its warning. The sample returned in 2023. Even now, it is being studied in sterile rooms locked behind glass. But Bennu's path remains. Sometime between 2175 and 2199, it could strike Earth. 8 possible collisions. 8 rolls of fate's dice. Its impact energy. Over 1,200 megatons. Enough to erase a region. Or ignite a planet-wide catastrophe. Then there is the strange force guiding Bennu's drift. The Yarkovsky effect. Where sunlight itself becomes a slow, relentless push. Warming one side of the asteroid. Nudging it off course. Over centuries, this whisper of energy becomes a shout. Changing destiny by fractions of degrees. Next, there is Apophis. Named for an ancient god of chaos. In 2004, it was seen for the first time, just a flicker in the dark. But its trajectory sent chills through the scientific world. It was coming close. Maybe too close. For a time, impact seemed possible in 2036. Panic simmered beneath the calculations. Old data was re-examined. New models were run. And slowly, the fear subsided. The odds dropped to near zero. But Apophis still approaches. In 2029, it will pass closer than many satellites. We will see it with the naked eye. A reminder in the sky that the cosmos still throws dice. And in 2068, another chance, however small, that it returns with vengeance. These are the giants we name. But there are others. Smaller. Quieter. Just as deadly. In December 2024, 3 asteroids will skim past Earth in 48 hours. 2024 XU9. 2024 XB16. 2024 XF4. Each one large enough to flatten a city. Each one silent until they passed. And one day, one might not miss. Then there are the nightmares without names. Rogue planets. Drifting in the black, unanchored by any star. Invisible to most of our telescopes. They move like ghosts. And if one entered our solar system, it could distort our gravity. Tear apart orbits.